everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the ever so anticipated Cupid box for all of you. I know I said I had this coming on the way about a week or two ago now, but Fat Quarter Shop sent a duplicate shipping label or something for the sew sampler. It was really strange. I'd already received my box and then they sent me another shipping label, so I thought for sure, or shipping notification, so I thought for sure that it was this Cupid box, but it wasn't. So I've had to wait just like everybody else, but I do have it now, so let's go ahead and look through it. And I've also got Mira Lou here. A couple of my kids are home today sick, so I'm trying to get this box shown to all of you so that you can see what's inside of it, and I'm excited too. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, first we have our insert here. This is the limited edition Cupid box 2025 from Fat Quarter Shop. You okay? All right, and on the back here we have a free pink rotary cutter case with a $40 purchase for people that receive this box. And then there is a cute little quilt here. I don't know if this is free or not. It doesn't say on the Fat Quarter Shop's website, but go ahead and check that out. It says that there's also a cross stitch pattern, I believe. Next, we have our little foldable insert here. This tells you the contents of the box as well as the price of each of these items. I will go ahead and tally this up at the very end and let you know what we saved. Just to give you an idea of what we actually paid for this box, it was $36.99, I believe, plus shipping and tax. And then it was a $5.29 reservation fee for me because I live in PA and that's my tax, but it's $4.99 to reserve this box. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive in and see what the contents are. All right, first up, we have an item I've never seen in the Fat Quarter Shop box before, and this is a So Lovely Heart Magnetic Pin Caddy by Fat Quarter Shop. Of course, this is an exclusive because this is the Cupid box. This retails for $14.98, and it says the So Lovely heart-shaped magnetic pin holder captures our hearts and much more. This robust metal notion, painted in a charming pink hue, is perfect for holding all your pins and needles. It is an ideal accessory for all the quilters who put their whole heart into their craft. All right, and I have seen it has this magnet here on the back, this rubber base as well. I have seen people actually somehow adhere these to their long arms as well, so they can put all of their pins for their long arm canvas leaders on one of these magnetic trays. So this is really handy. I'm gonna figure out how to do that, and maybe I'll show you guys on the community page on our YouTube here. But how fun is that? First time I've seen something like this in my 6 years now of receiving the box. All right, we have a second magnetic item here. This is the Sweetheart Enamel Needle Minder. This is by Fat Quarter Shop as well, box exclusive. Retails for $8.98, and it says this charming enamel needle minder is a heartwarming nod to the love we sew into every seam. Decorated with bows and stitches, this magnetic accessory is so handy for binding on the go, or for adding a touch of flair wherever you please, maybe even right on your sleeve. All right, on your sleeve, that's so funny. I actually put mine right here, kind of above my chest, and I like to put my pins on it when I am attaching my quilts to the canvas leaders on my long arm. All right, these are absolutely adorable. These are Cupid Candy Hearts Premium Woven Sew-In Labels by Sarah Hearts. Okay, this is also a box exclusive. It retails for $7.24. It says, add a sprinkle of love to your quilts with Sarah Heart's delightful sew-in labels. The exclusive Cupid Candy Hearts set features 8 premium woven labels, perfect for stitching into your quilt binding. Seal your creation with a loving, whimsical touch. Okay, let's show this a little bit closer. With love. What else does it say? It says, handmade for you. All right, I've never used a label, but these are super duper cute. I might have to do that. All right, next up are the From My Heart Valentine's Day card set. This is by Fat Quarter Shop, once again, box exclusive. Retails for $8.98 for 2 cards here. Express your love with this cute card set design so you can gift them to any friend. Let them know how much they mean to you with a handwritten message sealed with a little candy or a gift card. All right, and there's 2 different designs here. Both are very cute. All right, so next up we have our fabric, which is pretty comical because it's the same fabric I just received in my Lelo Boutique unboxing that I did a week or two ago. Go ahead and check that out. If you haven't, I'll go ahead and put it at the end of this video. But here we have the Flowers and Chocolates Love Blooms Junior Layer Cake by Lelo Boutique for Moda Fabrics. This does retail for $29.98, and it says, prepare to fall head over heels for this fabric. Love Blooms by Lelo Boutique for Moda Fabrics is a delightful mix of cheerful florals, subtle hearts, arrows, and other love symbols in dreamy pinks and reds that will leave you totally smitten with timeless dots and checks woven in. This collection is a true classic, curated into a junior layer cake that flaunts every print in the collection. We're absolutely thrilled to share the love this fabric brings. Okay, so I'm not gonna go ahead and open this just because it's going to be a nightmare to try to contain all of this, but I will go ahead and post the fabric collection up here for all of you to view. Next up, we have the Flowers and Chocolates quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop. It's super duper cute. You've got your little boxes of chocolates here, your roses, your little presents. I love this pattern. So this retails for $9.98, and it says this quilt has everything you need for Valentine's Day with flowers and chocolates that say I'm thinking of you. This layer cake friendly quilt sets the perfect romantic vibe. Pair it with a layer cake in the Cupid box for a match made in heaven. Limited finishing kits are available at fatquartershop.com. I will go ahead and list those down below if they are still available. And then of course here are the fabric requirements for all of you. All right, so that's it. I wanna know what you guys thought about this box down below. The item I am most excited for is that magnetic dish here. I think that this is going to be the most handy use for my everyday quilting. All right, so I just did the calculations for our box contents here, and let me go ahead and look at my paper. So we paid $47.43 for this box ship. This is to Pennsylvania, so it might be a little bit different for you. Hi, Mira. All right, and then this box totaled at $80.14. Okay, so we saved $32.70. All right, great savings, great box. I love these every single year. They probably are still available at Fat Quarter Shop's website. So if they are, I will go ahead and link that below as well as all the contents of this box. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.